Alright guys, what's going on? My bad, we are running behind today. Here's our owners list. We have one team for sale. We have the Chicago Bears, and do them for 10. There's still a box of Absolute. Alright guys, let's get started. Tyreek Hill. Tyler Boyd. Got a Zach Moss green. T. Higgins introduction. Got a Jordan Love. Got a Zach Moss. There we go. Got our first Joe Burrow. That's a nice one. That was going to Jack C. Jack C, if you're in the chat, what's going on? I hope this guy has a good season. Hope he comes back from his injury. I got a Chase Claypool. Got Stephon Gilmore. Aaron Donald. Got Tom Brady. Patrick Mahomes. Gardner Minshew green. Got a Derek Brown. Ooh, we got our first Jalen Hurts. That one's going to Philly. That one's going to Jack C. Again. Ooh. It's a nice one. A.J. Dillon, Jonathan Taylor, Cole Kmet. Got a Drew Brees. Got a Chris Godwin. Tyreek Hill. Got a green Cole McDonald. Patrick Mahomes stargazing. Denzel Mims. Got a Jerry Jeudy. CeeDee Lamb. Got a John Hightower. Got a Odell Beckham. Melvin Gordon. Monte Parker. Got a Jordan Love green. Josh Allen. Xavier McKinney. Cam Akers. Patrick Queen. Got a Big Ben. Got Aaron Rodgers. Got Cooper Kupp. Marquise Brown. Stephon Gilmore. Got Stargazing Travis Kelce. Justin Jefferson. Isaiah Simmons. Willie Gay Jr. Stephon Diggs. Ezekiel Elliott. Marvin Jones. Got a Jalen Reagor green. Clyde Edwards-Helaire introductions insert. Ooh, got our first Justin Herbert. After that's going to be a Darnell Mooney. Let's go on the Chargers. Going to Jack C. Jack C's having a good break. Josh Allen, Larry Fitz. Got Dwayne Haskins, Carson Wentz, Christian McCaffrey, Joe Mixon, Cooper Kupp. Got a green Jalen Hurts. Go in. There we go. And that one's going to Jack C. LaDainian Thompson. DeAndre Swift, Michael Pittman. We got a Russell Wilson, Raheem Mostert, got a David Johnson, Darren Waller. Ooh, got a Patrick Mahomes to 149. 34 out of 149. This one's going to Kansas City. This one's going to Roger L. If you're in here, Roger, what's going on? Got Marquise Brown. Michael Pittman, Tyler Higbee. Got a Donovan Peoples-Jones. Thaddeus Moss. Antonio Winfield Jr. Dak Prescott. Hopefully he comes back healthy. Dalvin Cook. Got Austin Eckler. What's going on, Roger? How you doing? That was a nice pull. Travis Kelce. Derek Brown. Got a Joshua Kelly. Marlon Davidson. Grant Delpit. Oh, there we go. Got a Tua. Let's go to Miami. That one is going to Jonathan H. Jonathan H, what's up? Got some good ones. Jesse. Kinlaw. Michael. Desmond Petton. Got it. Got a Todd Gurley. Adrian Peterson. Ryan Tannehill. Michael Thomas. Julio Jones. Got a Chase Young insert. T. Higgins. Curious to see where Julio goes. Said that he's out. Steven Montez. Trevon Diggs. Thanks, Jonathan. Appreciate that. How you doing today? Got DeAndre Hopkins, J.J. Watt. Frank Clark, Baker Mayfield. Got a green Chase Claypool, Notre Dame, one of my favorites. Got Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Excuse me. Alright guys, coming down to the last pack. Got a Saquon Barkley, Julian Edelman, got a Gardner Minshew. Got a Rob Gronkowski, AJ Green. Ooh, got a green Joe Burrow. Doing pretty good today. Hopefully, we could pull some good stuff. Got score next and got a Joe Reed, Chase Young, and Jalen Reagor. Alright, so going over the recap, we got a green Joe Burrow, we got a Tua, we got a Patrick Mahomes out of 149. Let's see if I can focus up real quick. Yeah, 34 out of 149. Got a green Jalen Hurts. Got a Justin Herbert. Got another Jalen Hurts, and then another Joe Burrow. All right, so that's gonna do it for this break. We'll be back literally in like a minute or two. Score. Love breaking this, so recommend you come out. But anyone that's not seen this break, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day.